I'm going to show you a method for removing really thick limescale really easily. Let's take a look. From a distance, this sink doesn't look too bad, does it? But let's take a closer look. All you need is some white vinegar, some kitchen roll, and a couple of elastic bands. I've got hair bands because that's all I can find. That'll do. I'm going to soak the kitchen roll in vinegar. Okay, let's take a look. Fingers crossed. Ooh. So some flicked off then, but it needs a re-soak. It's really thick, isn't it? I'm not surprised it needs a re-soak. Let's go again. Much better. I'll give the whole sink and the tap a little bit of a once over clean now. Let's take a look at how it ended up. Much better. And that's all come away with just vinegar.